Hello viewers, let us see genetic engineering important 1 mark points. It is very useful for all competitive exams. Genetic engineering is the modification of the genetic information of living organisms. Genetic engineering is done by manipulation of DNA. Genetic engineering is also known as gene manipulation or recombinant DNA technology or rDNA technology. The enzymes which can cut DNA into fragments are called restriction enzymes or restriction endonucleases. The enzymes which can join DNA fragments are called DNA ligases. Restriction enzymes or restriction endonucleases are the molecular scissors. Enzymes are biocatalysts that speed up reaction in cells. Antibiotics are substances produced by some microbes that help in increasing the immunity to human beings. Acetic acid is used for the production of vinegar. Edward Jenner 1749 to 1823 in 1791 who coined the term vaccine. The first used vaccine was against hepatitis B virus HBV. Vitamins are chemical compounds present in minute quantities in food. Dolly was a clone developed by Dr. Ian Wilmot. Dolly was developed in Rosalind Institute in Scotland in July 1996. For the development of Dolly, nucleus of udder cell was used. The udder cell was taken from a 6-year-old fin dorsate white sheep. Vaccines act as antigens and stimulate the body to manufacture antibody. Steroids are a type of derived lipids, example cholesterol. Steroid drug prednisolone is produced from fungus Rhizopus. Monoclonal antibodies are the antibodies produced by cloned cells. Monoclonal antibodies are used for the treatment of cancer. Cloning is a technique by which morphologically and genetically identical organisms are produced. The clone is an organism derived from a single parent by asexual method. Natural clones are identical twins. Induced clones, artificial clones are developed by nuclear transfer. The stem cells are the most unspecialized mass of cells. The stem cells can be induced to become any type of tissues with specific functions. Embryonic stem cells can be derived from early embryo. Vitamin B12 is a biotechnologically synthesized vitamin. Vitamin B12 is used to cure pernicious anemia. The enzyme amylase is derived from amyloproteins of bacteria. The biosensor is a device consisting of immobilized layer of biological material and its contact with the sensor. Biochips are microchips which are developed by employing techniques of biotechnology. Biochips will be useful in defense, medicine, etc. Insulin-dependent diabetes is caused by the degeneration of beta cells due to a defective gene. Applying the principle of biotechnology, it is possible to correct the defective gene. Gene therapy is the means to treat or even cure genetic and acquired diseases like cancer and AIDS. In somatic gene therapy, the gene is not passed to the next generation. In germline gene therapy, the change is passed to the next generation. If you like this video, subscribe our channel and share to your friends. Comment. Thank you, viewers.